to fix Discord update failed loop on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the Discord update failed loop on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for Discord. Right click on it and then go with run as administrator and click on yes. Once you run that on administrator, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for run and click on run, and you'll get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter percentage, local app data, and then percentage, and click on OK. And after that, you will get this kind of interface. And then you just need to simply go with the Discord folder, double click on it, and here on the last you will have update option. You just need to simply rename that update file or folder. So you just need to simply go with rename. You can rename whatever you like. So I'll just keep it as update. And once you've renamed, now your problem might be fixed. After that, you just need to simply run your Discord and your update file should be the new one. Then look if your problem has been fixed. But if it still persists, what I suggest you to do here is clean the cache folder of Discord. So you just need to simply tap on the app data, and then you need to go with roaming. Under roaming, you will have the Discord option. Simply go with Discord. And after that, you will have the cache folder, right? So you just need to simply go with the cache data. And from here, you need to select all of that. And then you need to delete all of the cache data. Permanently delete all of these files. Go with yes. Once you've deleted, you just need to simply go back and you need to restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Discord update failed loop on Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.